Hello again, and we are into the third example of writing body paragraphs. And here you can see the question type include two pictures. So let me remind you, if there are two pictures, either you can write one or the first body paragraph from the first picture and the second body paragraph from the second picture. On the other hand, if you are able to find a direct connection between these two pictures, so perhaps you can talk about, like here you can see the 1952 2005 and 1950 to 2055. Perhaps these are the population in millions, and these again are population not in millions, perhaps, yes, again in millions. So and okay, this is the population of over 65s, and this is a general population, so perhaps there is connection between them. So let's see how to be right how to be written, sorry. So let's see. According to the information, Japan's general population figures in 1950 were very different from those in 2005, right? So you can see here 2005 and 1950. And future predictions shows this, you have to again keep in mind if there is any future prediction, because it's saying up to 2055. So perhaps and future prediction shows even greater differences in 1950. So the beginning part, the number of people were just over, again the language part, 84 million, and only 4.9% of these people were above the age of 65. By 2005, right, so there is taking the figure, the percentage of older people rose considerably to 20%. So taking both the figure up to 2005 in this particular body paragraph, right? While again the linkers, while the overall population showed a parallel increase to nearly 128 millions. So instead of writing 127.8, we can write nearly 128 million, which is better than writing this figure. So you can keep changing 1/3, 2/3, 2/5, 20% or something, right? So now perhaps the future predictions will be written in the next paragraph. So let's see. However, total population figures peaked in 2005. So 2005 where we finished here. And it is expected, I told you about the language for the future, expected that the number of people living in Japan will fall substantially, see the language, over the next 50 years to a little below 90 million. But in spite of this fall, very important, wonderful vocabulary, the rise in the aging population will continue. So it's used as a noun this time, not rose to rise. Here it was rose. So word formation, here it is rise. The rise in the aging population will, so you can see the language is expected, will continue and at a faster rate comparison. So you can see the kind of words comparison, then approximation, year, train related words. So they are the mix of all those things. So you have to be careful about this. So by 2050, I'm talking the future, 41% of Japanese people is, and you must be thinking that why it is Japanese people is, because it's 41%. So we say percent. Percent is the subject here. So anything which is before of is a subject, is expected to be over 65, right? I hope you have understood this. This was the third example. In coming video, we will look into another 3 or 4 example, perhaps that is to be done, right? So that's all from this video. See you in the next video soon. Bye for now.